Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I can activate image stabilization in a Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So in the first step, open the camera app, go to the video and double the settings icon. Now look for the video stabilization, and as you can see now it's disabled because we have to switch on the back camera. Now you can turn it on or turn it off, so now I'm gonna show you how it looks with the video stabilization turned on. And as you can see, the image is very stable and smooth. And now when I turn it off, the image is very unstable and it's very shaky. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.